Yes, this video is all about the Drive 360 dash cam. Type S, we're going to do an unboxing, we're going to take a look at it and look at the live footage. Do appreciate you tuning into your review channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video right now. Outside the vehicle with full HD 360 VR. So that's what it says on the box. We'll do an unboxing and then we're going to do a test on this and see how this works. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so you have to find, and also here's the camera here, as you can see. Take off the lens, there's a little protective screen things, and we'll take that off in a minute. But you get an idea pretty much how it mounts into the dash. Probably mounts into the dash like this. Okay, if you can see, and then this camera will swing open this way, and you can just take a look at that, and we'll set this up and see what this does and how it looks. Alright, cool. Let's check in. And the accessories are in the back. So you have to open up the back of the box. Sometimes you can't find them, but you have the back latch. Open this up here like this, and this is the accessories. So let's see what's in the accessories. Okay, so that is the unboxing of that. Save all this, put that over the side. And let's see what we have in the accessories. Everything is taped, which is annoying, but that's just how they do it. So inside the accessories we have some nice sticky adhesive. We have hard wiring if you want to hardwire this to your vehicle. Okay. There we go. We have a cigarette adapter if you just want to plug in a cigarette adapter. We got some wire ties in here, as well as a couple of security clamps. This is actually clamp electrical, so you can actually just run the wiring right into the harness of your vehicle, which is kind of cool. I like that. So you got two ways of powering it up. You can hardwire it, or you can use a cigarette lighter, which is fine. All right, here is the booklet, instructions, how to use it, and we have to definitely recommend reading the instructions and how to use this and to see the purpose and how, the functionality and so forth and the setup. And this is the mount. So this mount goes to basically, I would say, the windshield, okay? And then this slides in like this. As you can see, it snaps in like that, and that attaches to the windshield. So basically you get to see what's going on, and it does a whole look of the whole vehicle inside the car. So point this to the front of your this will be the front of the car, and this is so you can see inside what's going on, so you can actually see what you're recording, which is kind of cool. So that's kind of nice. And also just take a look at the instructions real quickly. And basically it does have a GPS built into this, so basically it knows your location, which is kind of cool, which is really nice. I like that. So it has built-in GPS, so it knows your location. And also recommends mounting it either side of your rearview mirror. And then when you look in the back for the dash, so you can put it on this side or this side. That's what they recommend you mounting this camera. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do that as well. We'll take a look at that. And also has an app, so you can actually connect it to your phone, so you can do that, which is kind of cool. Okay guys, so let me jump in here. Definitely recommend reading the book, reading the instructions. That way you really know all the features and benefits of this camera. All right, let's get back into the unboxing. All right, so I took it down to my workbench and I just wanted to look at it outside the car first so I can really take a look at the actual device itself. I've just hooked up to a power supply and turned it on. So basically it's really sleek, really nice. You take this mount and you mount it to your windshield, and the inside of the windshield. Make sure the camera's facing out towards the street. That's the I recommend that. You can set the time, you can set the date, the month, the hours, the minutes, everything. You can really get into everything. You can do a firmware update if there's any firmware information. You can adjust the all types of formats of the wide angle, fish eye, whatever you want. I just like standard wide angle for the front to see what's going on, and that's the best setup, I think. And let's just take a look at the rest of this. Yeah, so I really like the standard wide angle. That's the best angle, I believe. You really get the whole front of the car, the whole front of the vehicle. The 360, it was kind of distorted, and you'll see it in a second.
I don't really like it at all. The 360, it's just too hard. You can see this 360 view here. It's just too funky for me. You really can't get it. You lose a lot of the details. I mean, you do see it a lot, but you do miss a lot of the details. So I suggest definitely just going with the standard wide angle view. And let's go take this out on the road and record with it and take a look and see what the actual footage looks like. Let's stay tuned for that one. Hope you appreciate the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit. Let's get into the rest of this. Okay, so we have some live footage here. I mounted it to the windshield, on top of the windshield, and you can get a nice 180 look of the whole front of the car. And that's how I have it set up. It gives you the best clarity and the best definition. As far as this is not 4K, this is just high definition, which is still very, very good. And let's continue and just get some more footage and see how it looks. So I was more in the city and I was just getting some more footage. You can see it's very, very clear. And upcoming has a person crossing the street. So you can see the clarity is very clear. So if something did happen, you can really get a good idea. In front of you, you get a really nice 180 look. You can see all the blinkers, everything's really clear. So the video so far is decent. So it also does do a time and day stamp. So you can see in the bottom of the screen here, the bottom right is the date, 2020, the year, the date, year, and month is how they do it. So it's the 22nd of July, 2020, and the time is 2300 hours, which is, I guess, military time. I think you can change that. I'm not really sure. You can check the settings. But all in all, you can see here the quality is very, very decent. You really get a good idea of what's going on. Definitely recommend getting one of these cameras for your car. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in picking up one of these dash cams. I think it's really kind of cool and important. Especially if you get into an accident or something happens, you do have some proof and a record and also state time and date stamped. So that's very important as well. Alright guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this dash cam. I think it's really kind of cool. I think it's important. I'll leave links below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me. Do appreciate your time as always. And don't forget, I'll see you at the next review.